Good evening to everybody. Myself, Kiran Pawar, Associate Professor and Head, Mahatma Phule Art, Commerce and Sitaramji Chaudhary, Science Mahavidyalay, Varu, run by Sri Shivaji Education Society Amravati and affiliated to Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University Amravati. My today's topic is Programming of Intel 8085. In computer systems, there are three languages are generally used, that is the machine language, assembly language and higher level language. This machine language is called as the low level language, assembly language is called as the middle language, and the third one is the high level language. And computer only knows the machine language. All the operation is performed in the computer by using only the machine language, means computers do not know the assembly language and higher level language. But machine language is very difficult, tiresome and bore, because only zeros and ones are used. That's why it is difficult to programmer to write down the program in the machine language. For that purpose, the assembly language and higher level language is developed, and program is write down in the assembly language and the higher level language. In assembly language and higher level language, the alphanumerics are used, and by using these alphanumerics, the instructions are formed, and these instructions then converted into machine language. If the program is written down in the assembly language, then this program is converted into machine language and vice versa by using the software assembler. Similarly, the higher level language program is converted into machine language program by using the compiler. Today's voice is the program for addition and subtraction of Intel 8085 microprocessor. Here we see the program of addition of two 8-bit number, sum 8-bit. For the addition of any number, minimum two numbers are required. Here we take the two numbers, that is the first number will be stored in the memory location 6500H, that is 36H, and 6501H, that is 17H. This is the data, means the two numbers are stored in the two memory location, consecutive memory locations, and the result which will be obtained is stored in the memory location 6502H. Then what is the program? In the program, there are three column, that is the label, assembly language program and comments. Here we see the assembly language program of the 8085. For that purpose, the first we take or initialize the stack pointer, that is LXISP at memory location 7F A0H, means initialize the stack pointer. After that, get the address of the first number. In 6500H, there is a 36H, and this is the first number. This is initialized. The address of this first number is initialized by the HL pair. And after this number, which will be available in the 6500H, is transferred to the accumulator by the instructions move M to A. In this case, this LXISP 7F A0H is the 3-byte instructions, and it requires the 3 memory locations. Similarly, LXIS 6500H, it is also the 3-byte instructions, and it requires again 3 memory location. But this move M to A means this is the memory locations where address is given in the HL pair. That number is transferred into the accumulator, means the address of this memory location is initialized by HL pair, and then this number is transferred in the accumulator, means get first number in the accumulator. Here there are two numbers. Out of these two numbers, the first number is stored in the accumulator. Then increment the content of the HL pair by 1. Means by this instruction INX search, the content of HL pair is incremented by 1. Means the HL pair is point out at the 6501H, and here the second number is stored. Here the second number is stored. Means the first number is available in accumulator and second number is available in memory locations. Then add yum. Means these instructions add the content of memory locations where second number is stored to the content of the accumulator where first number is stored. Means after executing these instructions, the content of memory location is added into the accumulator and result is reside in the accumulator, that is add first number and second number. Means after add m instructions, the result of the addition, that is the sum, is available in the accumulator. Then this sum is stored in the memory location 6500 02 H 02 H. Then end of program. Here the result is obtained and the result is available in 6502H, that is the 53H. Means after adding this 36H and 17H, here H is used for the hexadecimal, means this is the hexadecimal number, and result is also obtained in the hexadecimal. This result is available in 6502H, that is the 53H. Then flowchart, means while writing the program, the flowchart is required. The first is start, then initialize stack pointer, get first number in accumulator, get second number in memory, then perform the additions, and after performing additions store the result. Store the result, means these are the main steps while performing the addition of the two number. Here only we add two 8-bit number whose result is 8 bit. If the result is more than 8 bit, then there is some modification is program, and we can write add the 16-bit number also. Then another program is the subtraction program. What is the difference between subtraction program and addition program? The program is same. There is a minor change. We also take these two number again, 6500H, where the first number is stored, in 6501H the second number is stored. After subtracting these two number, we get result is 19H. Then again initializes the stack pointer at a memory location 7F818. Then load the HL pair or initialize the HL pair by the memory location 6500H, where the first number is stored. Then this number is transferred into accumulator. Means after executing these two instructions, the first number is in accumulator. Then increment the content of the HL pair by 1. Means HL pair is initialized by the memory location 6501H, where second number is stored. Then what is the difference between addition and subtraction? Here only, instead of addition, write down the instructions SUBM. Means here, instead of addition, subtract second number from first number and result is again reside in the accumulator. Then this result is transferred to the memory location 6502H, means toward the result. Then here program is finished. These instructions HLT end the programs. Then if find this memory location, if find out this memory location 6502H, then we get a result as 19H. Similarly in the flowchart, all the blocks is same. Here instead of addition, the perform the subtraction. Perform the subtractions. Means while forming the program for additions, then we can also learn the program for the subtraction also. There is only difference is that these instructions, that is subtraction, in addition, instead of subtraction, we write down add young. This is the addition and subtractions for the 8-bit number. This number is hexadecimal number, but sometime if I require the result in the decimal, for that purpose there is only minor change. After add m instruction or subtract m instructions, the one instruction is added, that is DA, decimal adjust of accumulator after addition or subtractions. Thank you. If there is some query, then ask me, and if this video is like, share it. Thank you.